So as you can see, this is the default layout. If there is anything that you wish to change about the default layout, you can do so by selecting the settings button just here in the top right hand corner of the screen. You're going to unlock your layout, and then you will have the ability to drag and drop items where you wish and where you would like them to appear on your particular layout. Now, if you make a complete mess of this and decide that everything is, out of position and it does not look good, you can go back up to settings, select reset layout, and that will return you back to the default state. Whenever you're finished, make sure you select lock layout, and that will prevent you from accidentally reshaping or resizing things in the future. Within this list, you can also see there are various other personal preferences on whether or not you'd like things like order book flashes, whether or not you'd like order and trade sizes in USD, etc. And all of those can be customized within the settings option here in the top right.